Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve a common problem many of you face, transferring money from PayPal to Trust Wallet. This process is not as straightforward, but don't worry, I have got you covered. PayPal doesn't directly support cryptocurrency transfer to Trust Wallet. So we need to use a couple of intermediary steps to make this happen. First, let's use a cryptocurrency exchange. Start by withdrawing your fund from PayPal to work bank account. This might take a few business days. Once the money is in your bank, log into cryptocurrency exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Deposit the funds into your exchange account and use them to buy the cryptocurrency of your choice. Now, open Trust Wallet. Get your wallet address, bought that cryptocurrency and transfer it to the exchange to Trust Wallet. Alternatively, you can use a peer-to-peer platform local buy Bitcoins or Paxful. Sign up, complete any necessary verification, and find seller to accept PayPal buy the cryptocurrency from the sellers and have the transfer directly to your Trust Wallet by providing your wallet address. That's it. Both methods allow you to transfer money from PayPal to Trust Wallet I will indirectly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech problem solving content. Feel free to adjust me the time based on a delivery base.